Hi folks, I'm Doug Hensley, President of Hertz Real Estate Services, and I'm coming to you today with our September 2023 Farmland Market Update. I'm recording this video just before Labor Day, and it's been a really active summer farmland market in both July and through the month of August, leading up to the beginning of harvest here at Labor Day. In the past 45 to 60 days, we've had 14 auction farms bring more than $15,000 an acre. 6 of those farms brought more than $17,000 an acre, and we had a real barn burner this last week of August in Tazewell County, Illinois, that sold for just shy of $21,000 per acre on a 145-acre farm. Wow, strong market. Now, none of these sales are actually per acre records for their respective county, but they are real living examples of the continuing strength in our broader farmland market. Now, it is true that higher interest rates and lower grain prices have been legitimate concerns for farmers and investors alike, and they are still concerns. The negative trend in both of these underlying market factors from 1 year ago to today has definitely played into our current land market, and I really think it has our market chopping sideways. However, in most Midwestern areas, I think we are looking at overall an average to perhaps slightly above average crop. Kind of depends on how we finish here in the next couple of weeks. It's certainly not perfect everywhere because we've just had some areas that have just lacked moisture all year long. But on the whole, I do believe we will see some level of positive profit from our 2023 crop production efforts, even if those profits are smaller when we look back and compare them to the record profits earned in 2021 and 2022. But a profit, even if smaller, is nonetheless a positive thing. The thing that I believe has provided a little pop back in this land market over the past month in particular is the near future outlook and the early prepay bids that we've been seeing for 2024 crop inputs. For example, whereas we were paying $1,200 to $1,500 a ton for anhydrous ammonia this time last year, we've received prepay anhydrous bids of $550 to $600 a ton for the 2024 crop. Dry fertilizer bids, too, are similarly lower for 2024 production cost. And these key inputs are really crucial to creating additional profit margin per acre. And these lower costs are helping guys see a way to make margin with lower grain prices at $4.50, for example, or $5 bushel corn, instead of needing $5.25 to $5.50 a bushel to break even, like we've had here in 2023 with our input cost structure. Now, we still have to grow the crop, and there's still a lot of work to do here in 2023 before we'll call it a year. But in the next month, we're going to see harvesting equipment really start to roll across the Midwest, and I'll have a more detailed early harvest report for you next month in the update. For now, know that we have 15 more auction and sealed bid sales that cover around 30 different farms and hundreds of acres scheduled to sell in the month of September. It's going to be an active month in addition to our inventory of listed farms. So if you have a question about any of these farms or the potential for your own sale or acquisition situation, you can always reach us at 800-593-LAND or message us through the website at hertz.ag. Have a safe start to the harvest season, folks, and I'll see you again soon.